In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change button color on Google Sites. If you want to give your site a different look and make your buttons stand out a bit more, this is a quick and simple adjustment you can make right inside Google Sites. The important thing to know is that button colors are connected to your site's theme settings, so you'll be changing the style through the theme options rather than editing the button directly. To get started, go to your Google site and open the site you want to edit. Make sure you're in the editing view so you can access the design controls. Once you're on the page, take a moment to locate the button, card, or page area you want to work with. Next, hover your mouse over the card or page section. This helps you identify the element you're adjusting and makes it easier to see the available editing options in the interface. If you don't see what you need right away, just move your cursor slowly over the section until the controls become visible. After that, look to the left side of the editor and click the palette icon, which is the theme option. This is where Google Sites lets you control the overall visual styling of your site, including colors and preset design styles. Opening the theme panel is the key step because this is where the button appearance is influenced. Once the theme panel is open, click on Style 3. Selecting this style updates the visual treatment used by your site, including the button color styling. In Google Sites, different styles can affect how buttons appear across the site, so this change is usually applied consistently rather than to just one single button. That's helpful if you want a cleaner, more unified design. After you choose Style 3, take a quick look at your button to confirm the color change appears the way you want. If you're working on a live site, it's always a good idea to preview the page before publishing, just to make sure the updated style fits well with your text, background, and overall branding. And that's it. By opening your site, hovering over the relevant section, going into the theme settings with the palette icon, and selecting Style 3, you can change the button color styling on Google Sites in just a few clicks.